Okay, so we got the floor cut out. Mostly. I basically cut around the edges. So I cut an inch or two from the inside so that I can take my cutting wheel and be precise about how I remove the rest of that sheet metal attached to the sides that I want to keep. Same with this rocker panel down here. Now, even though I have a new one, I'm going to keep this one in place for now so that I can line up my broken new floor that I've had to cut out because it came damaged in shipping and I didn't notice it soon enough to get a refund, so I basically have to use it. Still cheaper to fix this one than it is to, well, than it would have been to fix the old floor, so now that's in a pile of parts right there. So I'll clean up all the edges on this thing, get it all like down to the actual edge where it's going to marry up with the new floor. And basically now is the time consuming part. It's a rough cutout, and then so now I got to go ahead and precisely cut out all the rest of this rust and polish it up right to where it's going to marry to the new floor.
I think I got most of the spot welds on the middle. I gave her a few slices in little sections, and now I'm gonna see if the air hammer will take it off. Edge free. Oh yeah. One section. Two section.